how to fix Windows activation error on Windows 11. So let's first go to services.msc, go to Windows and search for services.msc. Under services, go to software protection and make sure that you start the services status and click on OK and restart your computer. And after that, go to command prompt, run as administrator and run two commands here. Firstly, sfc/scan now, and this will help to scan for corrupted files and integrity files on Windows, and your system will automatically help to repair it. And the next command is type dism/online/clean image /restore and hit enter and restart your computer, and you should be able to solve your problem. So these are some of the methods that you can use to fix Windows activation error in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.